Welcome to GIELTShelp.com's General IELTS test preparation videos. Now you will see a Turkish candidate score a band 7 for her performance on the speaking interview. To prepare for your next exam, join our premium package at GIELTShelp.com and download our app, General IELTS Help. Link your app to your web account for a truly incredible learning experience. Now watch and learn. Welcome to the speaking portion of the IELTS exam. My name is Adrian. I will be your examiner for this part of the test. And I'm going to record it for marking purposes. To begin, may I see your identification, please?
Yes, sure.
Thank you. What is your full name?
My family name is Yilmaz and my given name is Azra, but please just call me Azra.
Okay, Azra. Here is your passport back. I will give you instructions for each part of the speaking. To begin, I will ask you a couple questions to get to know you better and some questions on a general topic. Do you work or study?
I'm studying biology at Istanbul University, and as well as I'm studying this IELTS exam for my graduation studies. I hope I will do well on this test.
What is your favorite food?
Oh, my favorite food is delicious lamb kebab. I love this meal since I was a small child because it's one of my mom's specialties and she makes it super delicious.
Let's talk about your hometown. Where did you grow up?
I was born and raised in Istanbul and in the Bahçeşehir neighborhood, which is the east part of the city.
What do you like about it?
Oh, I like mostly the greenery part of the Bahçeşehir area, and I would like to go there for joggings and picnics.
What is a fun place to visit in your hometown?
Oh, there are lots of entertainment venues in Istanbul. The most popular ones are YSC Aquarium, Extreme Avenues Istanbul, and Istanbul Eğlence ve Yaşam Merkezi Theme Park. And in fact, I was in the theme park last week with a couple of friends and we had lots of fun.
How is the transportation in your hometown?
The transportation in Istanbul is both fast and convenient. There are lots of metro lines, as well as trams, commuter rail, and even ferries and sea buses to take the people from point A to B.
Have there been any changes to your city since your childhood?
Yeah, there have been many changes in Istanbul since the past 20 years. Istanbul is rapidly growing global city, and I think there will be another changes in the future as well.
If you could change one thing about your hometown, what would it be?
Given the chance, I would love to change the people way to driving in the city. People are too aggressive and using the horn far too often, and it causes a lot of dangerous situations and makes the city very noisy.
That is the end of part 1. Now we will continue with part 2. For part 2, here is a card with some questions. Don't turn that over yet. Here is some note paper and a pencil. You will have 1 minute to look at the questions on the card, and you can take notes in the 1 minute if you wish. Then you will have 2 minutes to speak. I will tell you when to start, when to stop. Are you ready to begin?
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead, turn over the card. Your 1 minute preparation time begins now. To see the full speaking interview and for an explanation of why Azra gets a band 7 for her performance, as well as over 100 hours of video lessons, a fully interactive course with strategies, and 6 original practice exams, visit and join our premium package at GIELTShelp.com. Also, download and link our app, General IELTS Help, from your Google Play and Apple App Store. Begin learning for success today. Subscribe to our channel. Click here. Watch more videos? Click over here. Or click our IELTS Hero for 100 hours of complete video lessons, 6 original practice exams, and strategies to pass IELTS.